morning at Cargill today, and we are going to Cargill market before heading towards Leh. That's because we want to buy some shoes. Sam wants to buy belt. Everyone has lost either this or that because the shoes which we bought, this one, water is still getting in inside them. These are the army shoes, and we really got them for cheapest rate. But they are totally useless in range right now.
The new shoes are called Tololing shoes, Tolling, and it is said that water doesn't seep inside. So let's see how it goes. We're going in the market.
So,
Our drag racer. Drag racer. Official drag racer.
so we call him drag races because our Avenger cruises on 110, 120. And if someone goes ahead and we want to stop in between for photography or something, we tell him to go ahead and catch him up and bring it back to us. These are the shoes. These are called tiger shoes or Tololing shoes.
You can get
They are, yeah, you can get it at 350. They are exactly like gumboots, but they are much softer than gumboots. What happens with gumboots is your legs get locked at 90-degree angle, and now when you ride in Avenger, your legs are beyond 90 degree, so you have to press it forward for braking, and that doesn't work in case of gumboots. So that we have reached Lamayuru on our way to Leh from Kargil, and this is the place where we are gonna have our lunch. I found something. This is like yak over here. It's real fur and made out of dead one. Whew. Let's see. Let's test the food now. Let's go in and look out for our team. पार्क करून घेऊ दे आधी लावा आता We have reached Leh yesterday night. We have planned to put our bikes for servicing today and take some rest at Leh. So we have come to mechanic called as Bettu. So our hotel guy recommended it's this guy. Meanwhile we will do some shopping in Leh, take some rest. And yesterday we were late. That because of that we didn't actually see magnetic hill point, so we'll be going today again right there once our bike service is ready. And one more thing, you could see we did welding yesterday, but it's still broken again, so I'll have to tell this guy again to weld it properly.
Even my career.
Yeah, and even Samarjit's carrier
This has bent a bit and the nut is
The nut is, some of its carrier, the nut is gone and this is bent. I think this will not go far across Leh Manali. So we got to weld it and get it fixed. Otherwise Leh Manali road will be very difficult for us and it will be a big problem for us. Because it's high altitude, if something breaks down, we don't want to stop at high altitude or something. We want to start at early hours. If something goes wrong in our bike, we'll have some time to get bike fixed and then start again. Plus the whole plan is that we'll be directly heading to Jispa, so we have to start very early. Jispa is, I mean, very far from Leh, and so doing Leh Jispa in one day is very difficult. So now we'll talk to Mr. Bettu and tell problems with our bike, what we are facing. We are here in Leh market right now. See it. It's a huge lane, but this is just first an entry point. We'll be buying some stuff. So Mayur is going to run and touch a stone over there at the bottom of that mountain. So it's pretty difficult at this high altitude. It's a challenge for him. Okay. Just a second. हाँ. 1, 2, 3. वहाँ जाना है, दौड़ते हुए आना है. अब दौड़ने की स्पीड चलो ठीक है, जॉगिंग जैसी भी रही तो भी चलेगी. जाओ क्या कभी जाओ. जाओ. Go. 1, 2, 3. कैसे फील कर रहे हो अभी मयूर भाई?
थकान तो होती है ना भाई.
मैंने गलती से वीडियो ले लेकिन रिटर्न आते टाइम का टाइम लैप्स.
So he has completed the challenge. Now I have to pay him 200 rupees.